Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your washer spanner nut. The reason why I have to do this is because it's damaged from excessive corrosion or because you had to cut it off when repairing your washer. For this repair, you'll need a hammer, a spanner wrench, and a ratchet with a 7/16 socket and a couple of extensions on it. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a Kitchen Aide, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. To get to our spanner nut, we're going to open up our washer. Now we're going to take off this part of the agitator. There's a small cap in here. We'll take that out as well. That's our agitator bolt, and to get that out we're going to be using our 7/16 socket. So we're going to just put that in there and then hold on to the bottom of the agitator a little bit. It's going to want to spin while you loosen it. Once you get a couple turns, looks like it should be loose enough now. Now we can pull this right out. Now that that's off, we can pull the rest of the agitator out. And this is going to be our spanner nut. So we're going to get our spanner wrench. We've got 4 little notches that'll line up with the holes there. We've got a hammer because it's going to be tight and you're not going to be able to get it by hand. So we're going to take the hammer and just tap it a couple of times to loosen it. We're going to go counterclockwise. Now that we've got it loosened, we can just undo the rest by hand. We'll pull that right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement spanner nut. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So we're going to take the spanner nut, screw it on here. We'll grab our wrench and tighten it clockwise. Then we'll grab the bottom half of our agitator and we'll push that down and grab the top half of our agitator. Push this plastic in. Comes up, just make sure everything lines up, and it'll go down nice and smooth. Then we'll take our socket with the ratchet, we'll tighten that back up, and once the agitator starts spinning, just grab the bottom to hold it while you tighten it the rest of the way. Then you'll put this cap back in. Put the liquid soap dispenser back in, close the lid, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.